Meaning of gangly.
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 Gangly. Gangly means having an awkward or ungraceful appearance, particularly with long and thin limbs. It is typically used to describe someone's physical appearance, especially during adolescence when growth spurts commonly occur. A gangly person may appear to be all arms and legs, with little coordination or control over their movements. This can make them appear somewhat ungainly or clumsy, and they may struggle to perform certain physical activities or sports. Overall, gangly refers to a specific type of physical awkwardness that can be difficult for some people to overcome.